Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a modern Android browser and the YouTube app closed. The app blocks background play unless you have premium. First, open Chrome or Firefox, go to YouTube. Then switch the browser to desktop site. Now find the video and start playback. While it's playing, don't swipe the browser away yet. This initial step forces YouTube to serve the desktop player, which gives us the controls we'll use next. Once done, you're ready to move to the next step to keep audio alive. Now press Home or switch to another app. Audio may pause because Android suspends the browser. Immediately pull down the notification shade or quick settings. You should see a media control for the browser's playback. Tap play there to resume audio in the background. If the browser lost focus, reopen it quickly. You'll still use the notification to control playback. Make sure the browser isn't fully closed by the system. Keep it in recent apps so Android won't kill the process. Finish by locking the screen and verifying audio continues. You'll control it from the notification area or lock screen media controls. If audio cuts out after a while, reopen the browser, re-enable desktop site, and hit play again. That resets the desktop player. Also check battery optimization. Exclude your browser from background battery restrictions so Android doesn't stop it. If problems persist, switch to Firefox or another browser and repeat these steps. Different browsers handle background media more reliably on some devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.